Hi everyone. Today I will show you some beautiful white flower plants that will enhance the beauty of your garden. The name of this flower is winter jasmine, Indian jasmine, downy jasmine, and star jasmine. White flowers bloom in clusters on small branches. This flowering plant grows very easily in the ground or in containers. Propagated by cuttings, seedlings also grow from roots. The name of this flower is Crape Jasmine. Flowers bloom almost all year round except winter. Although the plant is in full bloom in the spring, the flowers are available more or less throughout the year. This plant is easily propagated by cuttings and grows very well in containers. This is Pseuderanthemum carruthersii. This plant is widely planted in gardens or parks for its beautiful leaves. The leaves of this plant are very beautiful, and the flowers of this plant are also very beautiful. This plant is easily propagated by cuttings. This is another variety of crepe jasmine flower. There are 40 species of this genus worldwide. Among them, 4 species are found in Bangladesh and India. This flower has a nice mild fragrance. Flowers bloom almost all year round. It's a medicinal plant. This plant is easily propagated by cuttings.